Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zaire Joy here. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. Make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe while you're here. Join the gang. But anyway, if you guys want to see how I attempted this makeup look, go ahead and keep on watching. And a quick disclaimer,
I am not a professional when it comes to makeup at all.
I tried. This is what I got. If you have any tips, you can respectfully leave them down in the comments and I'll appreciate it, because yeah, I don't know much about makeup. So if you guys want to see how I look like this, keep on watching. Guys, so I'm over here rambling, but I was like, let me make this a voiceover. But I already attempted to fill in these eyebrows, and I'm just going in with this concealer from BH Cosmetics, which I will put all the makeup I used down in the description. But these eyebrows need a little bit of work. They were a little flat, I'm not gonna lie, so don't say anything about that. I know they're a little flat. On flat and yeah, but we gonna work with it. We gonna do what we do. And that's on period. So next I'm going to go ahead with an NYX pore filler, because I have textured skin. Very textured skin. So yeah. So I'm going to go in with that. And I'm also going to go in with the e.l.f. Luminous pore filler as well, because my skin is just textured. Oh, go watch my recent video, But like I said, we're going to use the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Powder, and it's going to go ahead and fill in those pores for me, because I'm just going to say it one more time. I have pretty large pores. So the other day I was watching a makeup video by Young Africana, Darkskin Baddie Pure, and she said if you had textured skin to use a powder and press it into your pores. And y'all, it works. Like, it works so well. So if you have textured skin, I highly recommend you try this out. It didn't dry my face out that much at all. Like, it was so perfect. And I'm using the black opal powder in the color Deep, I believe. But look, y'all, it looks pretty flat. And then I wasn't sure if she primed her face first, but I went ahead and primed the other parts. Oh well. And this is the NYX Max Hydration Primer, and I'm going in with my Maybelline foundation in the color 375 Java. I usually do 370. I know you can't tell, but I usually do 370. But I was like, okay, she said go with a darker foundation, so I was like, okay, let me go in with a darker foundation. She said what she said, so I'm following what she said. Yeah, but y'all, I was like, okay, it kind of matched my neck. I feel like it looked like I had a whole bunch of mud or something on my face. Like, it matched, but then I felt like it looked weird. Like, tell me y'all in the comments, did it look weird? Like, the makeup came out great, but like, I don't know, is this my foundation color? Because don't it look like I'm not trying to be funny, don't it look like I'm blackfishing? Don't look that lady. But I mean, it ended up working out. I ended up mixing it with a little bit of 370. I felt like it matched, but then I felt like it didn't match. Maybe it's because it really did match. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. But the makeup looks so good at the end. Like, I've never done my makeup this well. And I'm going back in with my BH Cosmetics concealer to conceal my face. I seen this makeup technique, something like this, y'all, on TikTok, and they said make sure you do your makeup over by your eyes, so your face don't look droopy. And the face didn't look droopy, baby. So yeah, we try all kinds of techniques or whatever. I try not to go crazy with it, because I wanted to make sure I still look real, you know. And I did a reverse contour because I don't know nothing about that contour mess. Even though I got the cake, I'ma do what it takes. And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how I went. No, they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about that bed. Why they just called me to tell me come get it? Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't dead it. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eat it. Alright, y'all, so I sprayed this beauty blender with some water. Got it real nice and damp to blend that makeup in, y'all. This process, I feel like the patting process, like, it just takes so long, but it actually blended in so nicely. Like, this is the best I've ever done with my makeup, no kizap. But during Young Africana's video, she said that she did the under eye concealer last. That's where she had the most concealer, and she worked from like the ends first. So that's what I decided to do, and it actually worked out pretty well. I feel like my eyes still look very bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. But yeah, you see me chatting up a storm to Risden. But yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna pat that in. Pat your weave, baby. Pat your weave, baby. Check up on it. Anyway, y'all, just go ahead and keep listening to this background music.
We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you boss, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us is not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
Alright, y'all, so I'm going in with this Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. Do I hear a sponsor? You need to sponsor me, BH Cosmetics. Hello. But I'm taking these two little colors at the bottom, and I'm trying to create some. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing. Please don't think this is don't think this is an eyeshadow tutorial, because baby, it's not. And next, we're gonna go in with this e.l.f. liquid liner and attempt to do some baby wings, because I wasn't trying to be extra, because I always mess them up. So you see me here focusing. You know how people be like doing the inside? Like, how did they do that? Yeah, I tried it, but it didn't work. But anyway, y'all, this is, you see me trying to make this little, you see this right here? Look. You see how I do that little triangle on the inside? How do y'all do that? How do y'all do that little triangle? But every time I mess up, I just put my lashes on, so you can't even really tell. If we're gonna be quite frank, if we're gonna be quite honest, and next you're gonna see me going with the black opal powder and Young Africana said, everywhere you put concealer on your face, you need to apply powder. So that's what I did. Alright guys, so my camera keeps dying. Like, it just does not it is not cooperating with me today. But I already put my lashes on and sprayed my face. The last thing I'm going to do is line my lips and add my lip gloss. So let me show y'all what I'm going with. I used to use this eyebrow pencil, but I use my e.l.f. brow pomade. And then I usually go in with my lighter NYX butter gloss. This one is in the color Angel Fruitcake. But I have this, like, it's not like really pink, it's a little bit more clear. Let me see what this one looks like though. I just do a little. Oh no. Okay, I'm just about to go in with this pink lip gloss from this girl I ordered it from. And yeah. And yeah, so this is the makeup look.
Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my ends.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah.
I'ma break every box they try to put